Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add photo background to Instagram story. So first of all, let's find out about our background. Now, as you can see right here, this is my account and I want to use this as a background, so I'm gonna just take a screenshot. Alright, and after I took a screenshot, I'm gonna just make it or resize it just like this. Alright, and after I've done, I'm gonna just leave it like that. All right, let's have an example. I want to add this photo into my story. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna click next to the comment, the share icon, and I'm gonna just add it to my story. And as you can see, behind the the picture, there isn't a background, so I'm gonna just make it smaller for me. All right, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just click the sticker at the top right, until I find the adding picture icon. And as you can see right here, you will see it next to the food orders. All right, I'm gonna just click and I'm gonna just hold this picture, and here what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just make it a little bit bigger. All right, and here I'm gonna just make it under. All right, I'm gonna just make it, and I'm gonna just drag this picture like this. All right, I'm gonna just make it a little bit bigger. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.